Silent Night is one of my favourite seasonal songs to play guitar and sing along to. It's got a beautiful melody, it's such a simple song. Today we'll be doing an easy guitar version. I'll be showing you the melody in the first half, and then the second half of the lesson I'll take you through the chords with a simple strumming pattern. We're in the key of C, which means we'll be using the chords C, G, F and A minor. Just briefly before I show you how to play the melody, I like to use as best practice certain fingers on certain frets for this melody. Now we're in the first position on the guitar fretboard. I like to use my first finger on the first fret, middle finger on the second fret and third finger on the third fret. This has benefits moving forward in building finger independence, so you're not just using one finger all the time. And also getting to know the mapping of the fretboard, where the frets are for certain fingers. So we're not jumping around all over the place, we're just using one position and one set of fingers. It helps to make things a little bit smoother moving forwards. The first section we start on the open G. Play the second fret of the G, return to the open G, and then play the second fret of the D string. So that little section there, we play that twice. With your picking hand, you can play it all down picks if you wish to keep it a little bit more simple. You can also incorporate up picks where it makes sense. Section 2. We are on the third fret of the B string twice, then the open B string, the first fret of the B string twice, and the open G string. Section 3. We begin on the second fret of the G string, play that twice. Play the first fret of the B string, open B string, back to the second fret G string, open G string, second fret G string, open G string, second fret D string. We play this twice as a sequence. Section 4. We play the third fret of the B string twice, the first fret of the E string, back to the third fret of the B string, open B string, first fret B string, open E string. Section 5. First fret B string, open up and G string. Middle finger comes up to the 2nd fret D string. We then drop the middle finger down to the 2nd fret G string. 3rd finger plays the 3rd fret D string, up and D string, and then 3rd finger plays the 3rd fret A string. The melody runs through. I'll show you the chord sequence now. We're playing this in 3/4, which means 3 beats per bar. I'm going to show you a nice simple strumming pattern so you can sing along while you're playing. If you don't sing, but you'd like to strum the chords, maybe you know somebody else who plays guitar, you could duet the melody and the chord pattern together. The chords we need are C, G, F, and A minor. We're doing a simple 3/4 strumming pattern today, which means we count 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. As we play through the chords. I'm going to keep it simple. We're just going to do 3 down strums so you can concentrate on your chord changes and the accuracy of your strumming pattern. 2, 3. Once you have the strumming pattern sorted in its most basic form, you can then start to embellish it by adding some up strums or some stops. Head here for a lesson on Amazing Grace, where I show you how to play the melody and the chords in a beginner format, much the same as this one. See you next time.